Hello. All right, now we back at it again with another subsets question. Today we're doing letter case permutation. Um, it's pretty similar to actually not even the permutation question that I did yesterday, but it's just more like just I think the first subset question where you just start appending stuff to the end. The only thing is here you want to append stuff depending on if it's a letter or not. If it's a letter, you want to make it like an uppercase and lowercase, and if not, you want to make it just if it's a digit. There's no uppercase or lowercase, right? So you just append the digit. Yeah. Given a string s, you can transform every letter individually to be lowercase or uppercase to create another string. Return a list of all possible strings we could create. Return the output in any order. Yeah. So one thing that I first noticed when I did this problem is basically the number of output, the length of output is 2 to the power of the number of characters, or like basically just non-digits in this string. So here there are 2 characters, so it's 4. Here there's only 1 character, so you only get 2, right? Like that's one pattern that I did notice. Yeah, so knowing that it helps me create my answer. And so without further ado, let us get started. We're going to create a queue using dq. Whoops. We're going to append the empty string into our queue because we need something to build off of, right? And so that's how we will build off of it. For I in range of length of s. Actually, I don't believe I actually need to do this. I could actually do for character in s. We're going to take the length of our queue, which is len q, because we want to make sure we for every character that we get to, we don't want to start modifying permutations that we just handled for, because that's what would happen if you were to do a while loop here. So yeah, we're gonna lock in the length by doing this. And for blank in a range of length, because we never actually use this variable here, we can use blank or like just an underscore. We're going to call this whip work in progress q.pop left, because we want to take things in order, right? So we're going to pop left off of the thing. Otherwise, if you pop, you'll pop off the end, which is just whatever you just push back onto it. So that's not what you want. I'm going to do a quick if statement. If character dot is digit, basically, it's a number from 0 through 9, then we're just going to do q dot append whip plus character, because since we know whatever is in our string is either going to be a digit or yeah, so basically here's the constraint. It consists of lowercase English letters, uppercase English letters, and digits, right? So we're checking here if it's a digit, and then if it's not a digit, that means it has to just be an English letter, uppercase or lowercase. So we're just going to do q.append whip plus character.lower just to guarantee that it's a lowercase, and we're going to be doing basically the opposite of that. We're going to do character.upper. And then so that way we guarantee that we get both the lowercase and the uppercase here. And then here, if it's a digit, we can just directly add it without worrying about, any uppercase or lowercase. And since Q is already a list, it's just the DQ, the DQ functions in a way so that we are able to pop off the left or like insert on the left side. Since it's still a list, we can just go ahead and return Q at the end of our for loop here, because we know that we've handled for every character and we've built out everything that we would need to do. If it's a number, we just add it back onto the queue once. or we just, do it twice for this, and then we can just return the Q here. Today's a relatively simple question. We just click submit real quick. Bada bing, bada boom. We have a solution that has passed the test. Yeah, I guess there's not much else to say, so thank you for watching.